Hello. Wow, I have been gone for almost 3 weeks and I've done no painting at all. But, um, so I was on vacation and I'll share some pictures with you guys if you are interested in it, or I'll just add them in here somewhere. Going from Florida weather to Washington weather, which is actually raining right now. It was great. The weather was really nice when we were in Florida. It didn't get like crazy, crazy hot. And it wasn't just Florida we actually went to Mexico, we went to Jamaica, we went on a cruise line. And it was so great. And I am just so, blessed to have the opportunity to be able to do everything that we did on our trip. And I was just so inspired by the cultures and the ocean. Oh my gosh, it was just amazing. And now that I'm back, I am wanting to focus on doing more crafts. I am doing research on wholesale, and I'm probably going to reach out to some of our local stores downtown, and I will take you along with me, at least the pre part, and then after, which I'm actually, how I might do it, I'm not going to go into the stores because it seems kind of unprofessional. I might reach out by email or messenger and try and schedule an appointment, but I need to put together a portfolio for my wholesale stuff that I may do, or find out maybe some stores might actually do it all based on commission. So I am not sure. I'm going to have to figure that part out. I think I'm going to pick 3 stores. Not all downtown, but maybe I'm going to try 2 stores downtown. And then another one that is kind of like at a market, that's kind of like off the road. You know what, I'm just not sure how I'm going to do this, but I know that I need to at least get started and to try, because I need to expand my I need to expand because I need to make more money for my business. And so I'm going to be doing that. And then I was also thinking that there are some local markets that I'm going to be putting in for, and hopefully I can get in. It looks like it might be every Friday evening from 4 to 8. It's downtown, so I don't know how successful this will be. And then, I was also thinking maybe I should go to other local cities that are nearby too, that get a lot of tourism. But I also realized that I need to do more touristy type of content, or products that would be beneficial for this area. So I think today I'm going to try and do work on some mandalas, and then have the mandala in the background and the scene in the front. So I was thinking like woods or a mountain, or some Pacific Northwest oriented stuff like bears, which we really don't have a lot. Never mind. There was a bear that was actually local here that was on Whidbey Island. So never mind. Or maybe even Bruce. Bruce is our local elk here who swam over to Whidbey Island. You know what? I might do that. I think that'll be my next one that I do. But I just thought that would be fun, and that's local for Whidbey Island, and that could be anywhere. I don't know. I need to start expanding. If I want this business to grow, I need to start thinking about stuff like that. But that is my job that my task to do today while I'm at the school waiting to pick up my kiddos. And yeah, we'll just see what I draw. And then I'm planning on doing more vlogging, which that will mean me filming more with my phone. So I'll be using my camera, and I will also be using my phone for vlogs in the future, because I feel like maybe you guys want to see more stuff. Yeah, so today I think I'm going to finish filling out my application for the market that's going to be downtown starting in June. Yeah, in June. And then, yeah, I need to start doing more planning and trying to put myself more stuff out there. But I know I keep repeating myself. My head is still like not fully, I'm dealing with some sinus issues, and my brain is not fully connecting the dots on what I need to be doing and what I shouldn't be doing. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out, and you guys get to watch the chaos. So enjoy, and we'll see. guess what? We're back in the studio, which I actually need to fix this a little bit so it's not so bad. The studio is a giant mess. And right now what I'm working on is scheduling all of my posts for this week. Or, well, next week, because I'm already behind this week. There hasn't been any posts except for Friday, which will be tomorrow. I wanted to kind of show you that actually and how I do it. Kind of seems very impersonal, but it's the way I can still continue to post and show you what I'm doing. So a lot of the stuff is actually reused content from my vlogs because I can't do like individual stuff. So I have to refurbish my vlogs into my posts. So then people are still going to see it, even though people are not seeing my vlogs. But hey, you guys get the inside scoop and not just the little clippets of what I typically do. So here, let me turn the camera around and show you what this is all about. So this is the program that I use. It's actually Wondershare. I don't even know. Hold on. I gotta look it up because I can't even say it. Okay, so it's called Wondershare Filmora. I'm dyslexic, so yeah. And so what I do is I take it, but I make it smaller for social media, and then I just schedule my stuff on here, which this is actually the Facebook Meta program, and my goal is to post 3 times a week, and if I can have like an extra picture day, that would be great, but I am currently failing at that. But this is my my scheduling program pretty much. So yeah, this is what I try to do to continue to stay valid on social media. Sometimes it's working for me, sometimes it's not. The whole goal is to eventually add this all onto drive business to my website so people buy stuff, which, you know, no pressure comments or anything like that really helps me on any of my posts. So you don't have to purchase anything, but sharing or commenting on any posts that I make helps me so much. It even helps me here on YouTube. So that is currently what I'm doing right now. And then I'm working on eventually editing video vlogs. I know, it's a lot. It's me just trying to do all the things all the time. And I'm also doing research on doing wholesale and what I want that to even look like, or even if I can even afford to do wholesale, because the whole point is you're selling your stuff in bulk, but like half the cost to do wholesale. So it's crazy, and I'm still trying to figure out if that's even something I want to do. It's just, I am teaching myself how to do this stuff, which is everything is accessible online. I follow a lot of other YouTubers who are great, and I've learned a lot from them, even doing these vlogs, which I get no income doing these vlogs, but I also like to document it. So yeah, so that's what I'm currently doing today. And then I'm hoping this weekend on my days off that I will be able to actually do some painting. I really got to clean up my studio. I've been gone for almost 3 weeks and everything has just fallen apart. Oh, and when we got back, the girls were playing ball in the house, and one of my sculptures, I did not make this. It was actually an artist who used to live here on the island, but moved away. He made this, and this fell off the wall. And now I got to figure out how, actually, you probably don't even know. It looks like a piece of wood, but it's not. It's actually a mushroom that he carved this on. And it's so beautiful, but it fell off my wall. And now I got to figure out how to fix it, or even if it's even worth fixing. I don't know. It makes me super sad. But this is on my art chair right here. This thing is just a mess, and I need to take care of it. So that's on my agenda this weekend to take care of. But anyways, let's move on. I also, soccer season, the rec soccer season started. And so my banner is out there, and some of my kiddos that I sponsored was out there running around, which is really cool. The only thing that kind of bummed me out is that my logo, which is on their sleeve on their uniform, is so small. And so I was a little disappointed about that, but I have that giant banner, and sometime during this vlog, I'm gonna go out there and take a picture because it's still very exciting. And it's just funny because some of the kiddos that I know, that I've coached before, or I know through school, the girls' school, or other community events, is on that team, which I think is really funny. And I absolutely love it. And I can't wait to watch more of them play. I'm sorry if I seem like super jittery, and I don't know. I have a lot of new things, and I'm kind of excited to try new things and see how it all goes. And I'd like to invite you guys more into my life, and we will just see how it all goes. And yeah, let's get to work. Okay, so I did some scheduling. Now it is time to have some lunch, and it's already 12:14. Sorry, it's dark. It's because I don't have any of the lights on in the house, and I have all my windows open, and so that's why it looks all weird. But yeah, I'm gonna have some leftover fried rice and some teriyaki chicken. So I am all scheduled out for this week, and then I realized, oh my gosh, it's Star Wars Day on May 4th. That was way sooner than I thought it would be, and I definitely have to do something for Star Wars Days because I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm like a giant old school Star Wars person. Whoops. So I definitely need to do something for that day. I think I might do something with the Millennium Falcon. And then I think I might have a sticker sale for that day well, hold on, I'll show you my stickers. So a few years ago, I made this painting, and this was completely made for me. You can actually see the Millennium Falcon in the background right there. And I just absolutely love these. Oh, and I came back from Disney World and I actually got some really cute pins too. I'll show you. Okay, so I bought some pins, but I can't find them right now, of course. But these are actually stickers that I made from that painting. And I think I might, I don't know, I'll promote them a little bit, or I don't know, make them 2 for 1. I don't know. I'm not sure what Etsy will let me do, but I thought this would be fun since May 4th is coming really soon. And I have these on my Etsy shop, but I kind of have to be like super sneaky about it. But they are available if you want to get yours as soon as possible before May 4th. But yeah, I just thought I would share that. And I think I'm probably going to try and do something. I don't know. I was able to find my pins, but look. Okay, so iconic. And if you, yeah, I got these from Disney World. And it's actually a few days away from the last time that the video that I just did. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I was able to do. I didn't get to film any of it, but I wanted to show you what I'm planning on posting for May the 4th. Oh, here we go. I'm going to open that up. I absolutely love this. I don't know. What do you think? And then I made another one, which I'm not 100% a fan of yet, but if you can't tell, Han Solo and Chewbacca are my favorites. I plan on doing more, but if you have any ideas of what other ones I should do this week before May 4th, leave it in the comments. I would love, are you old school Star Wars fan, new school, or I guess mid-school? I don't even know what to call the ones that were done with Hayden Christensen. I don't even know if that's right, but just let me... I wasn't a huge fan of that because that series, that group came out when I was like high school, end of high school type of career, and I wasn't a fan, but it's actually grown on me over time. So I'm actually enjoying it a lot more now, but I'm still #1 Han Solo and Chewbacca fan big time. But if you've got anything or you are interested in me making something, leave it in the comments and let me know, and I will try. I like a good challenge. So, that is it for the studio vlog. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.